In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give feedback in Meta Business Suite. If you've ever wanted to report an issue, share a suggestion, or let Meta know about something that could be improved, the feedback tool inside Meta Business Suite makes that process pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to submit your message clearly so it reaches the right place. To begin, make sure you're already inside Meta Business Suite. Once you're on the main interface, look down to the lower left corner of the screen and click Help. This is where Meta keeps support options, guidance, and feedback tools. So it's the starting point for anything related to assistance or reporting your experience. After the Help panel opens, click on Give Feedback. This option is specifically designed for sharing your thoughts about the platform, whether you're experiencing a problem, noticing something confusing, or suggesting an improvement. Selecting this will open the feedback form you need. Next, you'll be asked to select a topic. This step is important because it helps categorize your feedback correctly. Choose the topic that best matches the issue or suggestion you want to submit. Taking a moment here to pick the most accurate category can help your feedback be understood more quickly. Once you've selected the main topic, go ahead and choose the topic details. This narrows things down even further and gives more context about the specific area you're commenting on. Think of this as helping the system understand exactly what part of Meta Business Suite your feedback relates to. After that, type your details into the message field. This is where you should clearly explain what happened, what you were trying to do, and why you're sending feedback. The more specific and concise you are, the better. For example, if something isn't working as expected, describe the feature involved and what result you expected to see. If you're making a suggestion, explain what change would improve your workflow. Just make sure not to include any sensitive personal information when writing your message. When everything looks good, click on Send Feedback. That will submit your message to Meta for review, and that's it. You've successfully sent feedback through Meta Business Suite. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to reread your message before sending it so it's clear, accurate, and easy to understand. A well-written feedback submission can make it easier for support or product teams to identify patterns and improve the platform over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.